Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to public test Noli. Public testing is a fantastic way to improve your application before a full launch. It allows real users to find issues and suggest enhancements you might miss. We will cover 4 key steps to ensure your Noli application benefits greatly from this process. Get ready to transform your Noli with valuable user insights and make it truly exceptional. Before inviting the public, make sure your Noli application is reasonably stable. You don't want testers encountering too many critical bugs right away. Provide clear instructions and a simple user guide to help them navigate. Establish an easy-to-use feedback system, perhaps a dedicated forum or a simple form. Clearly define what you hope to achieve and who your ideal testers are. Engaging your testers is crucial for success. Seek out a diverse group to get varied perspectives on your Noli application. Consider offering small incentives, like early access to features or gift cards, to motivate them. Maintain open communication, providing regular updates and promptly addressing their questions. A responsive approach encourages more thorough and honest feedback, making the testing process much more productive. Once feedback starts rolling in, organize it systematically. Categorize bug reports and feature requests to identify common themes. Prioritize issues based on their severity and how many users they affect. Implement the most impactful changes first, then communicate these updates back to your testers. This iterative process of collecting, analyzing, and acting on feedback will significantly enhance your Noli application.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.